Good morning. Today we're going to be taking a look at XRP on the micro timeframes, 3-day time frame, along with total, the stablecoin dominance, and the Sigma coin. So, all right, we are just sitting here waiting, right? So we've had a 5-way move off the lows, an ABC potential completion for a flat structure, which is pretty much across the market as a whole. And then we had an impulsive 5-way move off the lows again, which we're now watching to see if we can verify if we in fact will continue onward here to the upside. So there's your 5-way moves. Then we have an ABC completion, and now this would be a wave 1, wave 2 of the next degree. So we're hoping that this will turn up here soon. So 1-hour momentum looking good as far as green is concerned. The 4-hour momentum is also turned red with that big huge liquidation that we had after kind of making it back up again, and is now green again. So we're hoping that this momentum will move itself up along with our lower momentum starting to play out. And then lastly, the 3-day though has yet to give us any indication of completion. We do have this one moving up towards the 50-yard line. This one's still red, and this one is still purple, getting weaker. So we'll have to see how this new candle prints on December 30th. So we got some time. Total crypto market cap though, this is without the Bitcoin, Ethereum, or stable coins. So this is total 3ES, has been green this entire time, has set lower price action, which is normal for this type of ending capitulation. So you can see right here, we have a green that steps in, and it actually goes lower on the whole thing before reversing, and then reversing again for the total 3 crypto market cap. And so anyway, long story short, this is giving us a good indication that we're near the bottom. Doesn't mean that we can't roll over and go lower, but we're definitely in that zone. And finally, the stablecoin dominance has been fairly consistent as well for its price action. So you can see that this one here on the 4-day has run up to the upside, had a bearish divergence where it went higher in price action but lower in momentum, flipped red. Whole region here was kind of a bull market section, carried on through this whole area here. Then we've had since August no desire to own cryptos and just be in stables, and now that's appearing to begin the move to the downside. Now, doesn't mean we can't get another bullish divergent or bearish divergence where this rolls over just like we had here, and we end up having this spike to the upside. But the difference in this scenario of time versus this one is that this is actually turned red here now, and we've actually closed quite a few candles red for the dominance. So it's definitely going to be at least another couple weeks before we really start seeing some great impulses off the lows, but we're seeing the beginnings of different levels starting to show here. So going back to the 1-hour and 4-hour here on XRP, we need to make sure we maintain this 182.33 or lower is in the cards. And then finally, jumping over to the Sigma coin, we are basically in the same circumstance. So here on the 3-day, we're just waiting for this momentum to kind of get enough oomph to push it to the upside. Daily, same story. We're a little maxed out on the momentum, rolling over, just waiting. And then finally, our shorter time frames, like the 12-hour are rolling over, but the 4-hour is actually already bottomed. So we're hopeful that this structure will start giving us the completion of like a wave 2 or something along those lines, so we can start working to the upside. But long story short, nothing's going to majorly happen here on Sigma until we start seeing XRP perform well again along with the overall market. So that's your Saturday check-in, and I appreciate you guys watching, and we will see how everything plays out here in the next couple days. All right, thank you so much, and have a good one.